Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell you some of the most exciting and useful tool or online site that you can use to enhance your audio files during the video editing process. So let's start the video. So first tool that I'm going to tell you is Adobe Podcast. Search for Adobe Podcast and this kind of window will appear in front of you. You might see this kind of window when you will visit this site. You just have to simply sign up on this platform. After that, you have a lot of features like enhance speech, record a podcast, transcribe audio and video, edit audio and video files, check your mic or something. Okay, you can use any of these features, you can try as per your requirement. But currently I'm telling you about the enhanced speech feature, which will remove background noises. Just simply click on start enhancing, choose file from here, file from your device, hit OK, and it will automatically analyze your file, upload your file on the platform, enhance your speech, and it will produce a softer and generous version of your audio file. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds or couple of minutes. It depends on your audio file. So as you can see, it has enhanced your speech. You can clearly see the difference of before and after. So this was the first tool that I wanted to tell you about. Okay. Let's head over to the second tool that I'm going to tell you is Narkit. Narkit is a Hindi text-to-speech feature that convert your text files into audio files. You can select from number of options given here as per your requirement, as per your taste. You can choose the format MP4A, MP3 or WAV file. Okay, after that you just have to simply upload your script. You can just copy paste your text. Actually it has some kind of word limit, so you can adjust your limit according to that, and then you just have to create audio. It will just take some time and it will build your audio, and you can just simply click on download. But it has some kind of word limit. Okay, so you can simply upload your script in 2 or 3 segments. You can download as per that, and after that you can edit in your editing software, Adobe Premiere or something. Just simply click on 3 dots, or you can download, or you can hit here to download this speech. The third and last tool that I'm going to tell you is Flixer. Flixer provides you various tools that you can use to edit your videos, like video compressor, generate transcript, AI text to video, video GPT, or there are various options that you can check out during the search of this tool. AI image to video, face to sticker, image background remove or something. Okay, but the tool that I am going to tell you is generate transcript. You just have to simply click on this. After that, upload your file. I'm uploading this trial audio. It will take some time to upload the file on the site, and then it will generate a transcript. So just wait for a couple of minutes, and after the completion of uploading process, it will give you this kind of window. Okay, you just have to simply click on generate option. It will transcribe your audio file in text. There are various options that you can use according to your preference. Like if you want to upload it on YouTube, you just simply click on SRT format. Just wait for some time, I'll tell you about this. So here it is. Transcription is ready with in and out timing. Okay. So when you will head over to download this, there are a lot of options like .txt format with timestamp, without any timestamp. Okay, and just simply clicking on subtitle.srt format, click on download, and it will simply get downloaded here. You can use this as per your choice. So that was the completion of video. If you want more such kind of tools or sites, you can simply tell me in the comment section. I will definitely upload a video on time. And there are a lot of tools that you can use to maximize your efficiency or lessen your efforts. Okay, there are a lot of AI tools like Runway, Quick Fade, okay, Stable Diffusion, something. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Love you.
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा।